Actually, I've never seen a bird other than like a seagull or a pelican up close like that. And I'm really glad that I did come out here.
Does anybody know how oxygen gets in water?
Jumpstart Biology is a wonderful free program offered by Volusia County Schools for rising 8th graders and rising 9th graders who are going to be in biology next year.
I just kind of figure high school is going to be a little difficult, so like anything that can help me better prepare for high school, I should probably just go ahead and do that.
Since it's so much more like cool experiments like we're doing today and like how we've been doing for the past week, then it's a lot more fun this way because we're doing actually fun activities that can keep us engaged.
Just doing fun activities and just not like sitting and working in a workbook. It's actually hands-on things that we're doing.
It makes the things that we learn in biology more like connected to the real world. So they're going to go in biology next year and remember the things we did during this program, and it will help them remember and support their learning.
I got to learn like actual high school things, and it was kind of challenging, but I actually got over the challenges and I'm ready for high school.